Epic Boss Productions presents Dangerous Jamaican Bank Robbery Movie starring Sister Petra. Epic Boss.
Girl Petra, she not easy, you know. I come and talk about split money half and half with her. Like say a me and her rabbit. She not easy. Bright, she bright. I talk about split money. Yo, Asani. A Shane, man. Yeah, man, I tell you, say me I care about the machine, you know. Yeah, man, me get the money, man. No, man, me couldn't give her no can. No, man, me couldn't do that, man. Me just skunk her up, you see me? Yeah. Yeah, Petra come go on somewhere like say, yo, she no want me do her mother nothing. Like say she want me just take money and move. Like say, man, soft when it come on to them thing there. You understand what me I say? She just come and me give her for half her money. You understand? So, me I come give her cut out of it too, you know. The police now get involved in it, man, because the mother shake up, you know, because when me give her a couple conk, me say she run off, you know, so you know that she now got to know the police bodies. Yeah, man. Alright, me I come circle here now, yeah? Ah, bossy.
Me this tap here, sir, you know. And count this, sir. Because me see that boy there got a kind of no sense, you know. But Lord God, I want really do. Me see the papa machine and the whole heap on me like him think me scared of him. And how him get so tough? Hey, he must not know how me. Me this check this, because I don't even trust that boy there again, you know. You see how him a go along? He look like he guilty hard, Cinti. But I whenever lick him really lick me mad door. You don't like it. Oh, lucky because I know say enough he play with me, you know. He know that I know what me would do with him. Oh, I mean they go down and mama right now go see if he ever touch me. You see if he ever touch her for me, ma. You know, see what me do with him today. Oh. Me tell him and give him a simple instruction he couldn't follow. He couldn't follow. He made me mother ball out. Murder! Murder! Then I must lick me more thing. I mean I understand, you know. And me and the boy they together and the boy taking cutter and gone somewhere. That no look right. That looks strange as hell. Anyway, me go down and mama. Go really see what take place. Cause anyone touch me, ma, he see what happened to him today. Oh.
My wife!
Oh, God!
My wife! What happened? What happened, my wife? What happened?
They robbed me!
My God!
And them lick me in my head with this something! Me think me dead!
Why? But my one you said I go up on the road you alone, you know, so me wonder why the phone cut off like that.
The man grabbed one the phone from me and dragged me in the bush!
You see what I tell you, boy?
Yes!
You see what I tell you?
And him try to rape me when he tried to rape me and I draw me close. Me fight him off.
I'm going down to the station, my wife.
No go down there fight tell me say me go down there don't come done with. You can't go down there because me no want them finish with.
I want it. Say make me follow you. If me the follow you, this wouldn't happen. wife. Alright.
Oh,
Right,
God.
my wife. Alright, take it easy.
Why? I don't think I can live out this. I say when the man they drag me and me a fighting man. Oh God. And he drag me and he fling me down in the ground and start thump up me in my belly. He thump me up in my belly.
Wife, this serious.
Oh,
Make a
God,
report,
oh,
wife.
God.
This
No,
serious one.
Me say the man say any of me what me mouth he finish me and you. Oh
So you
God.
can recognize him voice now.
I don't know because I was so shocked. I was talking to you, you know, my husband, and my husband, I have something else to tell you. Oh God, you know that is 80,000 me draw.
80,000, my wife. You never say a 500,000.
Yes, but I draw the other 3 that I could give to Petra to open a little business. Because true, she always said the money that we give her is a little nope. So I try to give her a little extra.
So what you saying? 800,000 your job, my wife?
Is that me said to
My
you?
So much money you work with, my wife?
Yes, my husband. I didn't know anybody would have done that to me.
You know that them was watching you and targeting you?
I believe that my husband.
It's an inside job, you know?
Oh God, who could on the inside do that and nobody know where I was going? My husband, I tell you, I bawl out, Jesus, Jesus, save me. And that's when the man run and left me alone. You know that? When I bawl out for my Jesus. Oh, thank you, Lord. Oh. I don't know why I leave America come here.
I feel so bad, my wife. I wasn't there, my wife.
It's okay, my husband. It is okay.
I warn you this morning, you know.
You know,
They make me try follow you. When you gonna take off my shirt, my wife, I say let me follow you. And now you come with this sad news, my wife.
oh Lord.
Did you tell Petra what happened?
I don't tell her nothing because I feel so sad because the thief gone with her money to open her business. I don't know how I can face her. You see, because every time we come, she always quarrel over everything we give her. So that's the reason why I did want to surprise her when you were there, my husband. And
You want me to draw the money to give her?
I think so because I don't want her to be quarrel with us all the time when we come from America, and she sounds like she is not appreciative of the little things that we give her. So that's the reason why I wanted us to open a little business for her. That's the reason why I go to the bank today, my husband. I'm very sorry I didn't listen to you and bring you with me, but next thing you come with me and then finish us. Oh Lord.
That's true. You can look
So
at
God
it that way.
yes,
It's
God knows
best,
everything
my wife.
best. So even though we lose, that is not our life, you know.
That's true, my wife. But I'm glad you come back to me in one piece, my wife.
Oh, I'm happy to, my husband. I'm going to lay down a little bit. I don't want anybody to disturb me.
So you call the child and tell them not to come.
If me call them,
Where is your phone?
I don't. The man thief it as well.
Mighty God.
The first thing him grab from me is the phone. Him grab away from me.
I was wondering why you hung up the phone like that, you know, my wife.
You know, I will never do that to you, my bonus. I will never do that to you. The man grab it away from me and hang it up. Use another phone and call the Tyler and tell them not to come. You hear?
You have to call it Tyler, my wife.
I am in mourning. What time I'm going to take to call them?
We can call them tomorrow, man.
Yes. Oh God, I want to lay down my husband. I don't want anybody to bother me.
Wife, I think I should make a report, you know.
I don't want you to go down there because what if they know us? They know exactly where to come and find us.
My wife,
Yes,
no matter
my
what you
husband.
said to me, I think it's the best thing let me go to one of my friend in the station now.
Alright.
And see what advice him can
So
give
you're
me
going to
towards it.
leave me alone here and next time him trail me and come here, come
No, my
finish
wife,
me?
I don't think he will come here, my
Me
wife.
and him a watch me or something. My husband, I
No,
don't know
wife,
it is.
I know you're scared, my wife,
I
but
don't want you left me.
everything will be alright, man.
Yes, I know, but I don't want you to leave me. I want you to sit in a chair and watch me sleep. You can't do that.
Wife, but I'm looking out for our best interest, my wife. We need protection, so
Okay.
I'm just gonna run down by the station and come back, my wife.
Alright, my
I'm
husband.
not gonna stay long.
You call a taxi. I don't want you to walk on these roads. They are not safe for us. You hear me?
Okay,
Call
my
a
wife.
taxi when you go outside. I don't want to hear not even a pin drop.
Alright, my wife. I soon come back here.
And I'm very sorry I didn't listen to you, my husband. You hear me? It's just that I wanted you to rest today because you
Don't
look
worry about
tired.
that, my wife. I'm just glad you're okay.
Okay, my husband. Love you. Oh, Lord.
I'll soon be back, my wife.
Take up me bag for me, Lord of mercy upon me soul. These criminals want to finish me. Oh, Lord. Oh, Lord.
Petra!
Oh, Papa.
Oh, God.
Daddy.
Oh, God.
Oh, God, me love you, Daddy.
I have sad news to give you.
Dear.
Them robbed Mama a while ago.
Oh, God almighty.
Hey, Petra, alright, take it easy, Petra. Take it easy, no man. I can't manage this, Petra. Petra, I can't manage this.
Listen to me, say, Daddy. They robbed Mommy.
Yeah.
Oh, God, I'm gonna rob Mommy.
Just take it easy, no man. I can't manage this, you know. I can't manage it, man. I can't manage it.
Why you really have said to me what happened? Daddy, what
Go
happened?
to the bank, right?
Yeah.
Go to the bank to draw 500,000. We get the tile to finish tile out the house. My daughter, right? And she end up and draw $800,000.
$800,000. Oh, God,
Yes,
Mama.
my daughter. She said she was going to give you the 300,000 extra.
Give me 300,000 extra. Oh,
Because she said
God.
you always a complain and say we're not giving you nothing, so she
Oh,
wants you to
God.
open a little business.
Maybe one more business. Oh, God. Auntie robbed me, Mama, my money.
Yes, daughter.
Daddy, Lord God, what we not gonna do, you know? We not call the police for the thief yet.
I'm going right down there now, my daughter. And I want you to follow me, you know.
So when Mommy,
Put up all our head, you know.
so Mama,
Yes.
God, doctor. Oh, God, what you said to me,
The
say the
rubber
thief
lick
lick?
on her head and swell up her
Oh,
head.
God,
And to make it even worse,
no, Daddy,
she
no.
tell me say the rubber chuck her down and a punch up her belly. I want to rape her too.
Rape Mommy! No! God almighty, how you really have said to me, say, Daddy?
She inside right now taking a rest.
I don't carry her, God, doctor, nor nothing. So I don't make the police and go find the dirty girl or dirty boy. What do that to me,
I'm
ma?
going down the station right now. I'm want you to follow me go down there.
Daddy, me they come, but me not, you know, say, me did have, I may have the rice for fire. Me not remember when me they could have turn off this door. Me not, me go turn off this door. Lord God, before I catch the house of fire, and then me come out down a station, come meet you. Yes,
Make sure you come down there, you know.
yes, me they go come, but
I
me.
can't believe that they down with 800,000.
$800,000 and 300,000 for me. Oh my God,
Christ, my child.
Daddy,
Wicked, you know.
what a devil that them people they wicked so to me, ma.
Hurry up and come in me down at the station,
I lick
man.
me, ma. Why you want to rape me, ma? Me they go turn off the over under the rice. Alright! God almighty.
To be continued.
Some boy too becky. Anything we no have, we no run down. We no coconut juice, we love run down. When chopper chop street, enough money have you run. Some boy just have a becky syndrome. Anything we no have, we no run down. We no coconut juice, we love run down. When chopper chop street, enough money have you run. Some boy just have a becky syndrome. Every photo out me, I tell you no lazy. Some boy want spoon feed like them a baby. Get up and go fi where you want, you no lady. Yeah, you them shoulda kill first in a slavery. Me no love man, me no want to no rate me. Check me profile, who no girl a date me. Remember the zinc fence and the boathouse. When rain a fall, the good fire out. Anything we no have, we no run down. We no coconut juice, we love run down. When chopper chop free, enough money have you run. Some boy just have a becky syndrome. Anything we no have, we no run down. We no coconut juice, we love run down. When chopper chop free, enough money have you run. Some boy just have a becky syndrome. You must be blind every day you come and beg me. I'll tell you from now, hard foot say a cake. Stand in your lane, keep yourself to yourself. Play a hero, you get your skull crack like egg. When top notch out, them lock straight. Money sweet like oh mama pot sweet. Some boy can't keep up, job slip. Pink star run risk that not cheap. Anything we no have, we no run down. We no coconut juice, we love run down. When chopper chop street, enough money have you run. Some boy just have a becky syndrome. Anything we no have, we no run down. We no coconut juice, we love run down. When chopper chop street, enough money have you run. Some boy just have a becky syndrome. Every photo out me, I tell you no lazy. Some boy want spoon feed like them a baby. Get up and go be where you want, you no lady. And you them shoulda kill first in a slavery. Me no love man, me no want to no rate me. Check me profile, who no girl a date me. Remember the zinc fence and the boathouse. When rain a fall, the good fire out. Anything we no have, we no run down. We no coconut juice, we love run down. When chopper chop street, enough money have you run. Some boy just have a becky syndrome. Anything we no have, we no run down. We no coconut juice, we love run down. When chopper chop street, enough money have you run. Some boy just have a becky syndrome.